this is how you do a quality check and enter grades using Canvas. So, just like last time, in order to access the student view and be a test student, you have to go over here to the course status section of the home page of your desired course and go down and click Student View. Once you click Student View, a purple border will come around the page, and it'll give you the option to reset the student or to leave Student View. So now, as a test student, we're going to go ahead and make our post. So let's go over to Discussions. We can see our different posts here. Let's go ahead and click the Week 1 discussion grade. And as we can see, this is our post here. We'll go ahead and type in our reply. So we'll go ahead and click this box, type in our response, and then we'll go over here to click Post Reply. So as we can see, we're a test student and it has logged our reply to this grade. So if we reset student, it'll erase this history, so let's not do that yet. But we'll go ahead and leave student view. So now we're viewing the course as a faculty member, and let's go ahead and go to grades. So here is the grade book. This allows us to sort by our assignment groups. Right now we're sorted into week 1, so now we can see all the assignments first for week 1. And in order to grade the post, we'll go down to our test student here. And this is where the grade will sit. So let's go ahead and double click here, this symbol in the middle, and we'll click 5 to give our grade, and we'll enter it. So now we see here that we have the grade for our post, and we also have the grade for the week, all of the assignments in the week. So far he got 100% for all the assignments within that assignment group.